Now, today's video is gonna be different but fun. Get ready. Alexa, open animal game.
Getting it from Fire TV.
Alexa, play game.
Okay, let's find you a game to
Alexa,
play. A
oh,
popular game this week is Kiss. Do you want to try
oops,
it?
Rickers. Alexa, open animal game.
Play Guess the Animal with Alexa. Think of an animal and Alexa will try to guess it by asking you
Alexa,
questions.
yes.
Here's Animal Game. Good idea. Please think of an animal, and I'll guess it by asking you questions.
Okay,
Is it a
here
mammal? Does it feed its babies milk?
yes and no.
Do people think it's dangerous?
No,
Does it meow?
no,
Is it a common pet?
no.
What color is it?
Yellow,
Interesting. What does its skin look like? For example, is it fur, bare skin, needles, feathers, or shell?
feathers,
Can it swim?
yes,
Is it a bird?
yes,
I think I know. Is it a duck?
yes.
Eureka! That's my favorite animal. Do you want to play more?
Alexa, no.
Sure. If you like this game, try a new game. Guess My Secret. Enable it in your Alexa app. Talk to you later.
Okay, so in today's video, and now you know that, well, I hope you know, because I just played that game with you. And Michaela is always wearing yellow. She always says her duck pacifier love you. And so, what do you think her Halloween costume is? Haha, if you guessed duck, you were wrong. No, I'm just kidding. It's a duck. But this could probably go against everything I said in my last two videos, because I said I hated doll baby clothing because of the feeling, but this is from a doll brand that I buy reborns from. It's called Set It. Oh, I can't say it, but if I had it on the screen, then you guys would know what I meant. Zeddy or something, but it's a terry cloth duck costume, but it's really, really soft. It has onesie socks, hats. I think it even has like a mitt type thing, and it's a cute little duck. So you'll be seeing that in future videos. But what do you guys putting your little ones in this year? I always have the classic pumpkin costume, and Callie will probably be going in the pumpkin costume. As for the twins, I gotta think of one yet. For for River and Jonah, because they're tiny. But I'm sure we'll think of one. I think I have devil horns somewhere. Just gonna look again. But what type of costumes are you putting on your reborn babies this Halloween? Or are you? Like, do you? Are you going to? Do you even believe or celebrate Halloween? Or you just gonna put them in a Thanksgiving outfit because that's cool too? Because Thanksgiving is before Halloween. And also in this video, say what you're thankful for. Because, like I might do a separate video about that, but if I don't, put the comments down in this video what you're thankful for. And this video will be out on the 20th. So at that point, it's 4 days until Thanksgiving. So I'm hoping I do a Thanksgiving video with the reborn. So maybe I'll put this out on the 21st instead, and I'll do something before that for them. Actually, that's a good idea. I think that's what I'll do, because Thanksgiving is a holiday as well. I don't know, do you guys consider Halloween and Thanksgiving Day? Alright, I'm gonna end this video here, because as you can tell, my words are mumbled and I sound like I'm tired, so... And the babies are gonna be wanting me in a couple minutes, so... Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your answers or suggestions of costumes for the twins. Thanks for watching. Peace, y'all. And oh, thank you, Alexa, for all your help.